morning, guys. So today I'm going to be vlogging my day for you, and I have class from 8:30 to 5 today, so I'll show you guys what I do at school, and also what I do when I come home and how I study and whatnot. And I don't think I'm going to be working out today just because I don't feel too well, so I'm probably not going to add a workout in this video, but in future vlogs I'll definitely add a little bit about my workouts as well so you guys can see them. But yeah, so I have class today, and I'm just going to go ahead and start getting ready for the day, and I'll show you guys that part. I'm going to show you guys how I dye my eyebrows since I'm going to do that right now. And a lot of my friends always ask me how I dye my eyebrows, so I'm going to show you guys. A lot of people get special eyebrow tinting things, or they go get their eyebrows tinted somewhere, but that's way too expensive for me. So I use this just for men facial dye, so I think it's a mustache and beard dye. You can also use it on your eyebrows since it's meant for a man's face. It can also be meant for women's eyebrows, so I don't know why they call it just for men. I get these two. I don't know, I think I get the dark brown one or the medium brown one. I think this one is the medium brown one because I couldn't find the dark brown one, but either one works for my hair color. So first you put just the developer on, the color developer, and I just use a really small amount because I don't need too much to cover my whole eyebrow. And then I get the color, and this color is a little bit lighter as you can see, but it actually turns out looking pretty good. And then I have one of these little spoolie brushes. I got this from when I had eyelash extensions, but you can pretty much buy them anywhere. And then I just mix it with the end, and it makes this paste. Okay, so I have it on my eyebrows now, so they look a little bit crazy, but I only leave it on for 2 minutes, probably 3 minutes tops, and I think it's better to leave it on for less time than more time because then you get weird rectangular eyebrows, and you just want a soft dye. You don't want rectangular eyebrows unless you want that, and then you can leave it on for longer. So that's how I dye my eyebrows. Now they're a little bit darker, and I do this every 2 to 3 days because I don't like filling in my eyebrows just because I don't want them melting off or smudging off, and so I do this to kind of dye my skin so that my skin is dark and I don't have to fill it in. Eyebrow hairs are gonna stay dark probably for a very long time because you've already dyed them, but I just kind of do it to dye the skin underneath the eyebrow hairs just to make them look a little bit thicker. And this is only $7 or $8 at Walmart, so I definitely recommend you guys check them out if you like getting your eyebrows tinted. Okay, so I am all ready to go. I'm a little bit early, but I usually go pick up my friend Laura in the mornings because she has a broken ankle and she only lives 3 miles away from me, so she can't drive yet, so I've been driving her to school, and school's about 30 minutes away, so it's a little bit far. So today we're learning about OB-GYN emergencies, which consists of women giving birth in the back of your ambulance. Sometimes they usually make it to the hospital on time, but sometimes they give birth, so we're gonna learn how to birth babies today with a mannequin, which is really cool. I'll show you guys that. And then have a pediatric ER doctor coming in to talk about pediatric emergencies. Yeah, so I'll just kind of show you guys my day. I am a little bit sick. I don't know if you guys can tell from my voice. I feel a little bit better, but I don't know if I'm going to go to the gym today. It's been about a week since I've gone to the gym, and if you know me, you know that a week is too long for me to miss from the gym. I just really want to go to the gym, but I don't want to push my body too much. That's pretty much my day, and I'll just bring you guys along with me to class. I don't know if I'll talk too much in class. I might just film a little bit around without too many words because I'm still a little bit embarrassed to just whip out my camera and start talking in front of everybody.
No, I don't, because I know you said you wanted to do physical stuff. Yeah.
Path, and I'm like, where are you going? said, oh, there's a woman who's in labor, and she's been in labor now for about 24 hours.
Whoa! Come on! Oh, it's okay. That's the sandwich whisperer.
Nothing you can get in there. Stop.
And that does happen. That does happen. So that's why we're supporting.
This is crazy.
Okay. So she's pushing, right? She's every time she has a contraction, that is basically telling her body push. So she's pushing.
This is the worst pain ever.
I believe.
And there's never any polling from me, right?
What's that?
There's never going to be any polling from me or from anybody else.
Not in real life. On the mannequin toward the end, you might have to pull a little bit, and we'll talk about that. Okay, so once the head presents, what do we got going on there?
The umbilical cord.
From the neck.
Okay. All right, get it out.
It's
Slip it up around.
almost.
Try not to pull on it, but you just slip it up around the neck. There you go. There you go. That wouldn't normally happen that easily.
Yeah.
Okay, so usually a shoulder will present, so you go ahead and now that shoulder is out, you can guide them up on the other shoulder.
What do you mean, guys?
So that the other shoulder will deliver. So lift up a little bit.
Okay.
And then there you go. All right, so let's.
That's, yeah, I think that's,
Okay, all right. So right now, what is our priority? Warm and dry,
Airway.
warm and dry, warm and dry. Airway, obviously you're doing your.
Hey guys, so I'm home. I just took a shower. I'm just gonna blow dry my hair now and then munch on some watermelon that my mom brought me. And I've studied a little bit. I've also been watching a lot of Grey's Anatomy, but I think I'll study a little bit more, so I'll film that and then probably watch some more Grey's Anatomy for the rest of the night. Okay, so my hair is blow dried. Yay! And the sun is making my glasses look weird. I'm gonna start studying for a little bit right now, so I'll show you guys what I'm studying. So for my EMT block, we're using a book that's with JB Learning. So they have like this cool website online. They give you the book, but you get access to this website. So right now we're doing gynecological, obstetrical, and neonatal emergencies. So I've already done chapter 23 and chapter 33, so now I'm on chapter 34. This is pediatric emergencies. So I just do like their little modules that they have online. This one's pretty long, it's 88 slides. So these modules just kind of go over what's in the chapter of the book. I'm not much of like a reader. I usually do like PowerPoints or something like shorter than a book. I usually just get lost in books. So yeah, that's what we did now. The day before we did psychiatric emergencies, which you can see up here, and that's what I've already studied. And yeah, so this is what I do. I just go through the modules, and then they also have like an ebook quiz, and I do that like right before our exams. The pediatric doctor that came to talk to us was actually super cool. He really made me want to do peds. He was awesome, and he was just like so enthusiastic, and he was so good at teaching and like not just lecturing, but like getting you engaged in the lecture. So I really liked him. And then birthing a baby was pretty cool. The dummy is like super complex. It even has like a placenta that you have to deliver after you deliver the baby. It was really cool. I think it cost like 50 grand or something ridiculous, but it was a cool experience. I didn't actually get to deliver the baby. We just watched like one person in our class deliver the baby. We were in like small groups though, so we got to like actually see, so that was really cool. Alright guys, so that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm probably just gonna finish off the night by watching some Grey's Anatomy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.